Hello guys, now I'll show you how to upload program from Omron CP2E model which comes with Ethernet port. This is CP2E model. You have to select CP2E N in PLC while uploading. I'll show you from first, okay? Go to file. So select PLC. You don't need to select any PLC. Directly go to click PLC, auto online, and then select this second option, CP1, CP2 built-in Ethernet online. In this one, you have to select hub connection. You ensure your IPv4 setting is in the same subnet as this. You can see it is in 250. So same it should be in your IPv4 settings. See here. So we have 192.168.250.3. So both your system and PLC subnet should be same, 250. Okay, now you can connect it. Once the communication is established, it will ask do you want to upload. That's all. That's done. This is a new PLC, so there is no problem. Thank you for watching.